Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Stronghold SHX, creating utility. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, you can also check out the official Crypto Growth partners for the exchange. We've got MEXC. You can follow the link in the description box below for rebates, discounts, offers, benefits, and lowest fees. So do check it out. And as far as the wallet is concerned, you can check out Decent. They've got their remarkable products, their biometric wallet, which has got an astonishing $30 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got a phenomenal $99 off only if you follow the link in the description box below. Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets, including Stellar. Anyways, let's see what's happening with Stronghold in real time. Any new information, posts from the community, from official handles. Let's see. So let's first see if we can find anything new in their official handle, because as of right now, I've seen the activity of posts is a bit low when it comes to a Stronghold official. Let's see if that has changed. So this is the pinned post, December 22nd, 2024. SHX governance vote 4 is officially closed. Thank you to all of you who participated and added your vote to determine the future governance of SHX. We are tallying the votes and will announce the result on December 31st. Stay tuned and hold strong. So this is an old post, obviously, December 31st. The vote is closed. We need a new pinned post, to be honest. So yeah, this is 15 hours ago. Look at this. Is it possible for a digital token to revolutionize payments, blockchain, and be better for the environment? The first Stronghold 101 dropping tomorrow. We're breaking down how SHX is reshaping the future, basically. So this is where the title is inspired from, reshaping the future. So yeah, SHX is reshaping the future. Do you believe that? Okay. Fintech word of the day, liquidity pool, a pool of funds locked in smart contracts enabling seamless trading on decentralized exchanges. Why it matters, liquidity pools power DeFi, ensuring trades happen efficiently without relying on traditional order books. So this is just one of those posts in which they're making people aware about what crypto is, what liquidity pools are. Look at this definition: a pool of funds locked in smart contracts to facilitate trading on decentralized exchanges. But let's hope that in the future SHX can work on their work in DeFi sphere as well and do something constructive. Okay, so we had already covered this one, our latest AMA. This was an AMA regarding 2025 outlook and what they aim to do, the insights on the payments industry. You have to watch this AMA, folks, for sure. Anyways, the community of SHX is always active, and I bet that we're going to be finding some interesting posts over here. Let's see if we can see something interesting. Okay, so this is 2 hours ago from none other than Green Knuckles, folks. Okay, let me open this. I built their product API that they're using today. 10,600 plus stores worldwide. Both are members of Nacha's Payments Innovation Alliance. What a coincidence. Okay, this one was interesting. Coincidence, huh? Let your mind wander. Stronghold is an asset-agnostic bank. I mean, the title, I might change the title, to be honest. Asset-agnostic bank. This seems an interesting title, to be honest. Okay, so let's see what this is. Tammy Camp, sure, I actually started in 2001 as an affiliate marketer. Back in the day, I think I've generated over $1 billion worth of affiliated revenues. And after that, John McIntyre, did you say billion? Camp, yeah, billion. I was a super affiliate for many years, so that's how I got my start in growth and in distribution. And I moved to San Francisco because I wanted to be in Silicon Valley. Since then, I've been at Walmart Labs. I built their product API that they're using today. Also, I was the first head of growth at Stellar. So this is how deep the link between Stellar and Tammy as well as Stronghold is. It goes beyond just being built on top of it. They've got this connection, they've got these links, and this is what really legitimizes Stronghold. In at least in my eyes, I know that any project can fail or succeed. Anything can happen to Stronghold. Obviously, many partnerships they fail, but Stellar, because I'm really bullish on Stellar and I really like what they're doing without controversies, being associated with them is what really gives me a bit of confidence, because we've seen a lot of projects just crash and be uh, left out of development and a lot of that stuff. But I think that this connection is really what gives me confidence and motivates me to cover it. I hope that in the future Stronghold can become a good brand like Stellar as well. Anyways, which is payments protocol, and we grew from 0 to 4 million users in just 4 months. John McIntyre is like, wow, look at this, folks. Walmart stores over here is also a Nacha preferred partner, I think, and look at this, Stronghold as well. Nacha over here, official Nacha website, I think. Look at these other names as well over here, US Bank, Verizon, Visa Inc. Look at this. Wells Fargo, Wallace Consulting, Express Bill Pay. Okay, US Postal Service. So these are the names that we're talking about, folks. The Clearinghouse Payments Authority, Swivel on an SWBC company, TD Bank. Awesome. Okay, interesting. A really interesting post from Green Knuckles. I really like what they do, what he does. Look at this. Number of Walmart stores worldwide from fiscal year 2008 to 2024. Year 2024, number of stores 10,616. This is awesome. Okay, what else do we have? Any interesting post? Because we started with a bang. Shout out to Green Knuckles over here. I really like what he does. Polly says that scaled in $250K into SHX in the last few weeks. I mean, we are envious that you have that much, buddy. To be honest, a lot of us over here, the viewers, a lot of us are craving for this amount over here to pour into a good project. Anyways, to each their own. It is the safest 10x play in my opinion. Imagine if 250K 10x's, I think it becomes 2.5 million, right? $2.5 million. I mean, that is going to be great. A really decent amount of money, to be honest, to be made. Founders are X Ripple plus X Stellar. Dig into this rabbit hole. Awesome. 41,600 plus trust lines currently funded. Green Knuckles is on fire. Approximately 28%. 11,600 addresses hold 1,000 SHX $15 or less. 20,600 plus holders hold 1,000 to 100,000. Holding 100,000 plus SHX puts one in the top 9,300 holders, folks. So this is what we're talking about. If someone is holding 100,000, 100K plus, 100,000 plus, I think it's going to be great if this play plays out well. Obviously, any project, like I say, can succeed or fail. I've told you time and again. The Cryptic Wolf says that altcoins to explore that have the potential to do a 10x to 100x plus this cycle. Where is Stronghold? Okay, yeah, so 10 million to 100 million market cap that can do a 10x to 100x. He has added SHX as well over here. The Cryptic Wolf, he always covers SHX, VELO, and a lot of projects that we cover. Green Knuckles again. I told you folks, he has been on fire. If you haven't read this from 2018, it is one of the more revealing. Keep in mind, when CEO Tammy Camp reiterates anything, be grateful she took the time, because it is a Willy Wonka ticket. The value is in the protocol. Look at this. Although Stronghold launched on the Stellar network, which was created specifically to handle financial transactions, Camp reiterated, she repeated, that the company is both platform and asset agnostic. Now, this is huge, because being asset agnostic means that Stronghold can connect with various chains and legacy systems, obviously. And the term asset agnostic over here seems really interesting, folks. Folks, now let's see what else do we have. Crypto Mentality over here says that 1/12/2023 SHX 0.0004, 1/12/2024 SHX 0.004, 1/12/2025 SHX 1 cent. I mean, this is insane. Just in 3 years, we have almost done a close to a 100x. If it reaches 4 cents in 2025 or 2026, I mean, that would be a 100x, right? Back in January 2023, when we started investing in SHX, $5 bought 10K. January 2024, $5 bought you 1K. Today, $5 only buys you around 300 SHX. So this is how much it has changed. Sometime in the near future, $5 will only buy you 1 SHX. If that is true, I mean, imagine the price, where the price is going to be. But aside from just price, I really like these projects, and I cover them because they're trying to legitimize this industry, and that's what we want. We want this industry to strive and to thrive like the stock market, and be here for the long haul. And it can be only done with mature projects and good projects, that's for sure. So owning 1 million SHX is going to be a major flex in the next few months. Yeah, hopefully. I love her more each day. Okay, Tammy Camp. Anyways, folks, what do you guys think about Stronghold SHX? Do you think it is indeed an asset agnostic bank? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.